Let's understand how to pay an invoice using Docyt ACH. Once an invoice has been approved and its status changes to ready to pay, you can begin the payment process. To pay an invoice, click the drop-down next to the amount and select Pay by Docyt ACH. You can also open the invoice to review the details first. From there, you can click the ellipsis on the top right corner and select Pay by Docyt ACH, or click Generate Payment in the bottom right corner and choose Pay by Docyt ACH. If there are multiple unpaid invoices from the same vendor, you can choose to pay one or more at a time. Select the invoices you want to pay and click Continue to proceed. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to review your ACH payment details. Carefully cross-check the information and then click Confirm. And that's it. Your invoice has been successfully paid using Docyt ACH. It typically takes 4 to 5 business days for the payment to reach the vendor. You can view your paid invoices by clicking Paid next to all invoices in the submenu. If the status shows In Progress, the payment is still processing, which means you can still cancel the ACH payment at this stage. ACH payments are fast and can only be canceled until 4 p.m. on the same day. Once the ACH is processed, which happens after 4 p.m., the payment cannot be canceled.